Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 14, 2015. What a morning, what a morning. Futures are down 26 points right now and plunging. So you're getting a big sell-off here in the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see the futures right now trading at 1989.50. This is a big decline. But a lot of people are going to tell you it is bond yields. A lot of people are going to tell you it's the Tesla warning. A lot of people are going to tell you all it is you're looking at dollar-yen plunging today. So dollar-yen is getting hammered. Look no further than the dollar-yen. Dollar-yen is falling. Market is falling. I have a support level for the dollar-yen. That will be posted in the intraday stock chat room today at 9 a.m. So again, if you want to take a 7-day free trial, come on over to the intraday stock chat room. I will show you where dollar-yen will bounce, and ultimately that's where the market will find its support level, and it will also bounce. So again, watch the dollar-yen. That is going to tell you everything you need to know. If you can't figure out the level, come on over to the intraday stock chat. I'm going to have that level posted for the members right at 9 o'clock this morning. All right, let's get into some stocks in the news. We're going to start off with JP Morgan. JPM hammered this morning. Stock is trading at 57.64. I have a level for JP Morgan. That will also be given out in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. A lot of the members from In the Money Stocks already know the level, but I will post it up there for all of the members. If you're looking at Wells Fargo, WFC is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting hammered as well. Closed at 81.85. It's now 51.85. It's now trading at $51 a share. We're going to look for this stock around the 49.50 level. Gets down to around 49.50, right in that vicinity. That's where we're going to look for major support. But I do think that the stock will trade down to that area. So again, keep that on the radar. But that's what I'll be looking for today when Wells Fargo trades down there. I will be playing that personally. Let's take a look at CSX. This is a leading railroad stock. They reported earnings. Stock is trading at 33.50. It basically closed right at 33.55. A level I have for this one, I will be putting out in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. So again, we'll look to trade this one as well. But the levels I have are a little bit lower, and if it gets down there, that's going to be a good trade for CSX Corp, which is one of the major railroads in the United States. Let's take a look at Tesla. This stock is getting roasted today. So Tesla probably has some support, in my opinion, around the $83 level, potentially even $80, but I'm going to stick with 83 at the moment. They said they're not going to be profitable for 5 years. China sales have slowed dramatically. I don't even know anybody in China was buying Teslas. Let's take a look at GameStop. This is a bright spot here. GME stock closed at $32.77, now trading at $36.28. All in all, this is not a bad move. This is actually a pretty strong pop higher. So we'll see if it could trade into the right around, I would say, massive resistance at $39. Potential fade play around 39, but it is a strong gap up. You want to give it a little bit of the upside bias from here, but if the market's so weak, it could drag this name down. So if you own GameStop at the moment and you're in the money, trail your stop loss. Otherwise, I wouldn't do much with it in this type of environment. Let's take a look at some of these mining plays. We're going to start off with BHP Billiton. Stock is getting hammered, closed at 45.41. Now trading at 43. I'm looking at support on this one around 40. I'm going to say $42. So again, this can go down a little bit more. Take a look at Rio Tinto. Same thing. Rio Tinto is getting absolutely annihilated. I don't even have a good level for this one. I guess double bottom support is around 41, so you'll find a little bit of support there. But this is not a pretty picture. Be careful with all these names. Another name on the docket there is Southern Copper Corp, getting hammered as well. Stock closed at 26.55, now trading at 25.64. FCX, Freeport McMoran, in the same boat, trading at 19.37. Copper today itself, copper futures are down almost 5%. So again, copper futures right now trading at 252. That is down almost 5%. Not a pretty picture here at all. If we take a look at a few other names out here this morning, you have The bank stocks, which are most likely going to be under pressure, so you want to watch stocks like Citigroup, even though they didn't report yet. They're going to trade down in sympathy to JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, so keep an eye on that. I have a level for Citigroup around $47.80. Bank of America, I put this one on the blog yesterday. I said the stock will trade down to $15.43. That's where you can get interested in Bank of America. So you got a lot of freebies here, but if you want some other levels, come on over to the intraday stock chat, and I'll be happy to give them all to you there. And again, those levels will be posted up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil is trading lower by 45 cents to $45.44 a barrel. So crude remains very, very volatile. Gold futures have gone positive, now trading up $3.40 an ounce to $1,237. Make that $1,238 an ounce. Looking at the GLD this morning, you're going to see GLD is holding up pretty nicely, trading at around 118.83. I still think around 119 and a quarter. There's still a lot of resistance for GLD, so I don't know if we're going to get all that much of an uptick in GLD today, but all in all, gold has been very, very strong as of late. I think I covered everything that I want to cover in here. Again, we're going to have more in the intraday stock chat room. It's going to be a volatile session. This is what we call Whipsaw Wednesday. That is the Wednesday before options expiration, and options expiration, as you know, is this coming Friday. So be prepared for a lot of up and down movement. And we'll see how it plays out. Markets will be volatile at the start of the trading session. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.